When it comes to maintaining a successful business, first impressions matter, especially in Washington, D.C., where competition is fierce and professionalism is essential. One of the most overlooked aspects of your business's curb appeal and security is its doors. Commercial doors not only need to look good but must also stand up to the demands of daily traffic, weather conditions, and security concerns. Choosing the right commercial doors for your business is crucial for durability, functionality, and long-term cost savings. Here's how to choose durable commercial doors that will enhance your Washington business for years to come. Consider the material for durability. The material of your commercial door plays a major role in its overall durability. Different materials offer varying levels of strength, security, and resistance to the elements. Some of the most popular materials for commercial doors include steel. Steel doors are a top choice for durability and security. They are incredibly strong and resistant to impacts, making them an excellent option for businesses looking to protect their property. Steel doors are also resistant to fire, corrosion, and weather, ensuring they last longer than many other materials. They are ideal for high-traffic businesses or areas prone to extreme weather in Washington, D.C., such as heavy rain or snow. Fiberglass. Fiberglass doors are known for their resilience and low maintenance. They offer excellent insulation, helping to maintain your building's temperature while reducing energy costs. Fiberglass doors are also resistant to moisture, making them a great choice for businesses located near humid areas or those that experience temperature fluctuations. Aluminum. Aluminum doors are lightweight, strong, and resistant to corrosion. They offer great durability, especially in environments that experience frequent changes in temperature or exposure to moisture. Aluminum is a great option for businesses that require a modern look combined with robust performance, such as storefronts or office buildings. Wood. While not as durable as steel or fiberglass, wood doors can add a traditional aesthetic to your business. They can be reinforced with steel or fiberglass to improve durability. However, they may require more maintenance to prevent rot or weather damage, especially in the fluctuating climate of Washington. Choosing the right material depends on your specific needs, including how much foot traffic you expect, the level of security required, and the climate conditions in Washington. Think about security features. For many businesses in Washington, security is a major concern. You need doors that will withstand break-ins, unauthorized access, or vandalism. When selecting commercial doors, look for features that enhance security. Reinforced frames. A door frame is just as important as the door itself when it comes to security. Ensure that the door frame is built to withstand impact and prevent forced entry. A reinforced steel frame adds strength and durability, offering an extra layer of protection against break-ins. Secure locking mechanisms. The locking system is an essential element of your commercial door's security. Choose doors with high-quality locking mechanisms, such as multi-point locks, deadbolts, or electronic access control systems. Keyless entry systems can provide added convenience and security for your business, allowing you to restrict access to authorized personnel only. Impact-resistant glass. If you opt for a door with glass panels, make sure the glass is impact resistant or laminated. This type of glass is designed to resist breakage and deter intruders. For added security, you can consider adding metal grills or bars to further protect glass areas. Choose energy-efficient doors. Washington, D.C. experiences a variety of weather conditions, from hot summers to chilly winters. Insulating your business against temperature fluctuations can significantly reduce energy costs. Look for commercial doors with energy-efficient features, such as insulated cores or double-glazed windows. Insulated doors will help maintain a stable temperature inside your business, keeping your heating and cooling costs lower. Some commercial doors also come with low emissivity glass coatings, which block heat in the summer while keeping heat inside during winter. This technology can help you save money on energy bills and make your space more comfortable for employees and customers year-round. Assess the door's maintenance requirement. Commercial doors are exposed to constant use, weather conditions, and potential wear and tear. Choosing a door that's easy to maintain can save you time and money in the long run. For example, steel and fiberglass doors are generally low maintenance, requiring minimal upkeep. On the other hand, wooden doors may need periodic repainting or resealing to prevent weather damage. Before making your decision, consider how much time you're willing to spend on maintaining your commercial doors. Opt for materials and finishes that will help preserve the door's functionality and appearance with minimal effort. Aesthetic appeal and branding. The appearance of your doors can also have a significant impact on the overall aesthetic of your business. For storefronts, having an attractive and modern door can attract customers and help enhance your business's branding. Choose a door that complements your building's architecture and reinforces the message you want to convey to potential customers. Doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, so make sure to choose a design that fits your brand image. If you're aiming for a contemporary look, you may want to opt for sleek aluminum or fiberglass doors. If you prefer a more traditional or rustic look, wooden or custom-designed doors may be the right fit. Customization options. Every business is unique, and your commercial doors should reflect that. Many door suppliers offer customization options to meet the specific needs of your business. Whether you need a door with specific dimensions, additional security features, or a particular design, a customized door ensures that your choice is tailored to your requirements. Final thoughts. Choosing the right commercial door for your Washington business is crucial for ensuring security, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. By considering factors such as material, security features, energy efficiency, and aesthetics, you can select a door that not only meets your practical needs but also enhances the overall look and feel of your business. Whether you're upgrading your current doors or installing new ones, investing in durable commercial doors will pay off by reducing energy costs, improving security, and increasing the longevity of your doors. Take the time to research and work with a professional installer to ensure your doors provide the maximum benefit for your business.